Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to update your mobile phone number for Bluevine alerts. Keeping your phone number current is essential for receiving Bluevine security alerts and verification codes. If you've changed your number, here's how to update it quickly. First, log into your Bluevine account on the app or the web portal, and then tap the menu icon and go to settings. Select profile or contact information, and now find the phone number field and then tap edit. Enter your new phone number and double check it for accuracy. Bluevine will send a verification code to the new number. Enter that code in the app or web page to confirm ownership. Once verified, your new number will replace the old one, and you'll continue receiving alerts and codes without interruption. Updating your number right away ensures that you never miss important security notifications. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.